Good morning, students. Welcome to Social Science Class 7. Today we will learn 7th Standard Social Science, Term 2, Unit 1, Vijayanagar and Brahmani Kingdom. Let's move on to the lesson, Vijayanagar and Brahmani Kingdom. Vijayanagar Empire. Vijay means victory. Nagara means city. Hence, Vijayanagar means the city of victory. It was established in the southern Karnataka by the two brothers named Harihara and Bukka. Vidyaranya instructed them to abandon their service to the Tughlaq and rescue the kingdom from the Muslim authority. The new kingdom was called as Vidyanagara for a time in honor of a spiritual teacher, Vidyaranya. Vijayanagar Empire ruled by 4 dynasties, namely Sangama dynasty, Saluva dynasty, Tuluva dynasty and Arivida dynasty. Now, Sangama dynasty located Tungabhadra river. The struggle between Vijayanagara and Sultanate of Madurai lasted for 4 decades. Kumara Kampana's expedition of Madurai described in Madura Vijayam, which was composed by Kumara Kampana's wife Ganga Devi. The greatest ruler of Sangam dynasty was Devaraya II. After his death, the dynasty became weak. Now, Saluva dynasty. Saluva dynasty, after Devaraya II, the Vijayanagara Empire went through a crisis. The able commander of Vijayanagara army, Saluva Narasimha, making use of the situation, declared himself emperor. After murdering the last ruler, the Sangama dynasty, Virupaksha Raya II, but Saluva dynasty founded by Saluva Narasimha came to end with his death in Naras Nayaka. Is able general seized power in Ushat Talava dynasty. Now, Talava dynasty. Tuluva dynasty. Krishnadevaraya, who reigned for 20 years, was the most illustrated ruler of the Tuluva dynasty. His main target was Gulbarga. The Brahmani Sultan Muhammad Shah had been overthrown and kept it impressed by his minister. Krishnadevaraya freed the Sultan and restored him to the throne. He first war and Prataparudra. He defeated Gajapati and conquered Prataparudra. He had a friendly relationship with Portuguese traders. Krishnadevaraya was a great builder. He repaired most of the temples he built with the Vidyalasami temple and Hazara Ramasamy Temple. He distributed wealth to construct temple. Patron of literature, Krishnadevaraya patronized art and literature. 8 eminent scholars in literature known as Astadigajas. Alsani Pindana was the greatest of them and is popularly known as Andhra Kavita Pitamaga. Another notable figure were Pingali Surna and Tenali Ramakrishna. Battle of Talikonda. After his death, his younger brother Achuduya Devaraya and Venkata came to the rule. During the reign of Ramaraya, the combined forces of the enemies met at Talikotta in 1565. In ensuing battle known as Rakasa Tangadi Battle of Talikotta, Vijayanagara was defeated. All the buildings, palaces and temples were destroyed and totally Vijayanagar destroyed. Now, Arivadu dynasty. However, Tirumala Devaraya managed to escape along with the King Sadasivaraya. Tirumala Devaraya moved Chandragiri carrying all the treasure and wealth, great a new built capital at Pennukonda. The emperor was collapsed due to internal dissolution of the Bijapur and Golconda sultans. Her dissolution means agreement. My dear children, I hope you all understood this lesson very well. Thank you children. Have a nice day.